Oh, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hey, today we're going to be building a well pump house. I'm going to build a 4x4x4 cubed pump house with a hinged roof. I got that idea from one of the sheds out there that I saw, and small, easy to keep warm in the winter. And with the hinged roof, I can easily get to fittings and pumps if they go bad. So stay tuned. We're going to do it one step at a time. No floor in this pump house. I'm using crushed aggregate gravel for the floor around the well itself. And then I'll put pressure treated lumber for the foundation and build up on 2x4s. So take a look. Okay, quick math question for you carpenters out there or mathematicians. How do you determine a slope for a shed style roof that has a 43-inch rise on one end, that's the high side, dropping down to a 24-inch height on the low end, and it's all across a 58.25-inch span? Anyone? Anyone? Bueller? Great movie, by the way. I went to ChatGPT. What a great use of technology. It quickly figured out the slope is 18 degrees, and now I can make my studs accordingly. For the foundation of the well pump house, I'm just going with a basic design where I'll shovel out of the truck some gravel, get that tamped down, and then I'll be putting the pressure treated lumber on top of that. I'll secure that lumber with rebar into the ground, just hammer it in as far as I can. And then I'll have bolts coming out of the pressure treated lumber that will be used to secure the base plates for the walls. So I'll bolt that all down, and that should be a secure solution. Take a look. Okay, just wrapping up the pump house. As you can see, I used some extra siding that I had lying around from the shop. Also put a roof on it, which should be waterproof now, and it's fully insulated. So now it's just awaiting the wiring from the electrician, and then I'll set up the plumbing as well for the well. But take a look.